Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be testing out the products I received in my September Allure beauty box, plus an $11 product I snatched during one of the days of the Sephora VIB sale. But let me first put my hair in a clip and zoom on in so we can get started. If anyone missed my Allure beauty box unboxing video, I will link it in the eye above. We got 3 products that actually I consider makeup. 2 are technically makeup. One is a lip balm, but let me know, do you consider lip balms a makeup, or skincare, or just you really don't categorize your products? This is what she looks like. It's just a lip balm. Does not seem to have a scent, but I find it interesting that it's super fat. It's reminding me of those sticks and balms from, what is it, Milk Makeup. This actually is full size, and it retails for $12. Oh my goodness. That is so soft. I don't. Can you guys see the chunk of? Wow, it's not even that hot where I am. It's like maybe 70 degrees. I'm just gonna use my finger and smush that out. I am super curious. If any of you who watch me and follow me, thank you, also get this box. Let me know if mine's just a little melted, or was yours super soft, and did you experience the goop on the lips like I did? That was insane, crazy. Okay, it feels like on the lips really nice. It's like super light, soft, very slippy. But dang, that is some very soft goop for the lips. All right, let's move on to the blush product. So this here is from RODIAL. It's their blush drops, and I got mine in the shade, I forget, pink something. Pink, frosted pink. So I come to you wearing kind of a little bit of makeup. I just have some concealer on, some under eye brightener, mascara that you can see, and then a very light kind of skin tinty product. And then on my lids, I am wearing the Morphe little primer eyeshadow pot, and that is it. Okay, so question is, what brush is going to apply this best? Let's try like a denser, I mean it's soft, but it's not a fluffy blush brush. This here is from AOA Studios and cost me a whopping, I'm going to assume, $1. Maybe it was $1.80. It was definitely under $2. But I'm also curious if this applies like with your fingers. So let's start with our fingers right here. I'm just going to put 2 little baby dots because I'd rather like build it up than go ham. And we'll just kind of do that. Can you see anything? I can. It's very subtle, but it looks very natural. It has a shine, but it's not glittery. It's just kind of a nice glow. That is really pretty. And in my unboxing video, I assumed that it would just be, you know, like a blush topper or like a highlighter. No. I could see wearing that as a blush, and it went into my skin beautifully just with my fingers. But for those who like using brushes, let's put, again, just 2 little baby dots. Can always add more, but it's really hard to take away. And let's see, you know, is it best with the fingers, or can you use a brush? I feel like you can use either, but the brush is kind of picking up the product, and I went in very gently because, you know, building is the plan, and I'm just doing one side at a time because, you know, in case it dries down super fast. Okay, that is definitely buildable and really, really pretty, and if you use your finger, it's super fast and easy to apply. But let's go back over here with the brush, and you leave me a comment and let me know, hey, did you notice a difference? And if so, did you think it looks better with the fingers or the brush? All right, next we're gonna be applying a product I don't often wear, and I've definitely never tried. And that is this brow product from Benefit, which is the 24-hour brow setter. Now, I should probably comb through my brows first. Yeah, I rarely do my brows. I don't know. To me, they are, decent. They aren't troubled. I don't feel at this point I need to do anything. I wish they were even. This one has a nice little section that kind of thins out, whereas this is just like one big caterpillar. What I will do every now and again is trim them because I get really long grandpa hairs. If you know, you know. All right, so the Benefit is a clear brow gel. Oh, interesting. I thought that was going to be firm. Well, it is a little firm. It bends slightly. So let's just comb her through and let's see. We'll do one and take a look to see if we notice a difference. So it's definitely making them stick straight up. All right, if it can help this side, which is kind of laying down, that will be a miracle. So it has a little, it's flat. I don't know if you can tell, it's flat, but it has combs. It reminds me of the wand. I mean, it's a little smaller, but if you've ever used the L'Oreal, what's it called? Telescopic Lift Mascara. Very similar brush. And let's see. We can make these bad boys. Ooh, I like very fluffy doing that. I'm not used to that. But let's give them a second to kind of dry down, and then I will feel if they're crunchy and let you know if I can still feel that product. Right now I can, but I just applied it, so I think it's a little wet. But let's move on to the $11 product I snagged during the Sephora VIB sale. I'm trying not to buy so much. In the past, I would have gone to Sephora, found the one product I wanted, and felt like I needed to buy more to get free shipping. I don't know if I just have enough points now, but this $11 product was free shipping. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just buying this one product. And it's $11 because it was 50% off. So technically it's a $22 product. And it's a product I wanted to get when I did my spring VIB sale. And I forget why. It was either sold out or, it was something I really wanted. It was sold out. And then when I saw it was on sale for $11, I was like, yep, now is the time. For a little teeny box, that was a struggle to open. All right, I'm super excited that I have 2 samples. Did I get what I ordered? No. I don't remember what I ordered. All I know is I did not pick something from Beauty Blender. I honestly in the future will never pick these kind of samples because you get 0 product. It's literally flat. And yeah, what a waste. And I did not select it. What is this? BB Thickening Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. I did not select this either. I'm guessing they're doing lots and lots of shipping because of the sale. I was bummed. I was excited about the products I selected. All right. No big deal. Those are free products. But here is what I did select. This here is from Rare Beauty, and it's the All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick. And I got mine in the shade, it's going to be pink. What's it actually called? Well-Being. Okay, she names her things, not based off of the color, but off of a saying. Okay, so for an eyeshadow stick, it's kind of fatter than others. Well, no. Ooh, okay, so it's pink and shimmery. Let me do a little swatch here. And hopefully my lights won't... There you go. It's right there. And yes. So, first off, I'm going to just throw it on. I don't know if I'm going to need a brush. I'm going to grab a brush just in case. But hopefully it's a product you can just kind of, one and done it. Let's just slap her on. 2 seconds. Do I even need to take my finger? Not really. But I will. Okay. And we'll just throw some on over here. Oh no! Oh no! Maybe I pressed too hard, but that is a good. Well, okay, now I'm curious. How much product do you get and how much did I like gloop off? So I would say that's like a quarter of an inch. And I don't want it to fall out. You get like an inch and a half. Should I take it back? Oh, what was that just... Oh, no. I didn't even scroll it up because that was the triangle that was sticking up. Let me know if I should just, live on with only a quarter of an inch missing, or if I should take it back and exchange it for another one. I'm disappointed. Is that on me or on the product? All right, so that is what the product looks like. Very light, subtle, but that's what I was going for. I'm sure if I had actually put something in my crease and whatever and just used it as a topper, but I was curious, on those days where you're running late, just throw it on, see how it would do. All right, I no longer feel the brow gel just sitting here. Let's take our finger. Oh, okay. It's a little crunchy, but not mega crunchy, if that makes sense. Is it still, doing what it's doing? It's settled down. My trouble brow has come down. The good brow is looking good. It's all, in place. But I'm not mad at that product because it's a product I personally would never buy, but will use now that I own it. So now I want to hear from you. Did you get the box? If so, what did you think of this month's box? I thought it was pretty darn good. Mainly because I'm actually going to be able to use and enjoy all the products I received. We got 2.5 makeup products. The half is this lip balm, although I wish it was firm enough where I can just, slap her on. I'm going to have to gently take my finger and tap, tap, tap. And that's not my dream lip product. But, yeah, brow product, amazing. The eyeshadow looks good, but she broke off. I am super curious if that's the nature of eyeshadow sticks or if that's her products, because it's not that warm where I'm at. It's like maybe 70, 71 degrees. So you can't blame the heat and that it was melted because it's not hot. All right, leave me a comment. Let me know what I should do about the shadow stick. Let me know what, if anything, you've picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, which at the point when I'm filming is still going on. If I see something that I really need in my life that's half off, I will do a future video. By the way, if you watch me on your phone or tablet, there's this new thing called Hype, or I don't know. There's like a new button where you can like shout out someone and push a small channel out into the universe so more people get their eyes on the video. If you know what I'm talking about, feel free to click that button for me. I would truly appreciate it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.